This stuff comes from the exam review page. So where it starts with review number 1, exam 1 review, goes all the way down here, onto the other side, down to right there where it says exam 2 review. So really it's just these 10 questions of the review. And basically I'm going to go in and change the numbers on these ones. These first, I'll have to change the words because they're words questions. But I'm just going to go in, make a different frequency table, and then you'll be finding the different class boundaries and class midpoints for that. Things like that. The different numbers for the mean, median, and mode for the standard deviation. So basically the exact same questions, only with different numbers. All right. So questions 1 and 2. Okay, now these first 2 questions, 1, A and B, it said I was supposed to state statistic or parameter. Parameter is entire population. Statistic is some sort of survey. Well, first of all, it's easy enough to find the entire population of Supreme Court justices and figure out what their ages are. That would be the population, whereas it even comes out a sample of a survey. This would be a statistic. Then the second ones, it was discrete or continuous. Well, the wheels on vehicles, that's definitely discrete. You can't have like 3.5 wheels. It doesn't make any sense. So this would be discrete. And continuous, the age when kids lose their first baby tooth. Now, you could force them to say, well, I was 5 or I was 6. But if you just leave it open-ended, they're going to answer with anything. I was 5.5. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and call that continuous because they could answer with anything unless you force them into only answering with just integers. And besides which, I've already used discrete on the vehicles anyway, so you know that one's going to be continuous. All right, nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio. Interval is the one you want to start with because interval is the hard one. It made no sense. It was something about not having an absolute 0 and stuff like that. It's some sort of thing with numbers. And ultimately, what we decided was, well, it's either time or temperature. So average temperature, that's where the word interval goes. I'm going to start with that. All right, now there were 2 of them that had to do with words. One of them was names, nominal, and the other one, ordinal, had some sort of order. Okay, breeds of dogs, poodle, German shepherd, those are names. Spiciness of the sauces like mild, medium, hot, very hot, whatever. That, we got an order. We all agree upon the order. If you go into Taco Bell, you know what you're getting with the mild. Okay, so these are just the names of different dogs, and these are some sauces that have some sort of order to them, which only leaves ratio as the other numbers question that's not time or temperature.